Hey guys, so I'm just going to create a quick video going over how I want you to structure your folders for the mind map and research assignment. So if you're on a Mac, you just need to go to Finder, the little smiley guy down here, click on him, and then let's go to Documents. And hopefully by now you've made a graphic design applications folder within your documents, not on your desktop, because desktop's the first thing to be wiped out from your computer is your desktop when it crashes. So if you put things in documents, it's just a more secure place to put things. So let's create a folder in here called, so we go to File, New Folder, and let's label it the company name. So let's say I went with ModCloth, and we're using the same company that you chose for your mood board. So let's say I did my mood board for ModCloth, so I'm going to do my mind map for ModCloth too. And so I don't know if that's one word, maybe it is. You can put spaces in folder names, just not in file names. So ModCloth, go in here, make a file, new folder, oops. And then let's put ideas. And then let's put the ad examples that we found online. We saved out those images, or we did a Google image search on like ModCloth social media ads, ModCloth newsprint ads. And there should be 4 total files. So 2 social media examples and then 2 print examples. You might want to go on ModCloth's Facebook page too. Like, let's see here. So if we go to Facebook, I'm already logged in, but we can search for ModCloth. Hopefully find it. Here we go. And then we can even find some of their ads in here, their social media ads. So these are mostly posts, but some of them, like this, is a social media ad. So when you pull this from the web, definitely, if you're on a Mac or a PC, you can use your snip tool on a PC, but if you're on a Mac, you do Shift-Command-4, and you get this little bullseye. It's kind of hard to see on my screen, but a bullseye. And so you can click from the corner of the ad all the way to the opposite kitty corner, if that makes any sense, and then holding down the whole time and then let up, and that'll take a picture, and that'll go on your desktop as a screenshot. On a Mac. If you use your snip tool on a PC, that works too, to capture the ad. And then let's just say I did this 2 times and I found an example on Google Images of 2 examples of print ads. And so I can open Finder, new Finder window, and this is that screenshot I took of a ModCloth ad. I want it to go into the ideas folder. So you put your 4 examples in the ideas folder. And then let's say I have my PDF file of my design of my mind map. So let's just go into my downloads folder. Let's say I downloaded a PDF of my mind map, which let's just go with this one. Let's just say that this is my mind map. You can even click on this and do mind map and change it. And this, let's just say this is a PDF file, not a JPEG, okay? Like I don't have one available, but, and then we can go back to, that documents, GDSN 231, ModCloth, and then just right inside that, put your PDF file inside of your company folder name, or your company folder that you created. And then you just, on a PC, you can control click on that, which is right clicking, and then compress ModCloth, and then you get a zip file, which is a lot smaller file. And then when I go in there, I can see, that you've structured your folders correctly, that you've named them correctly, like I asked you to, and that, this is a PDF file. Pretend that your PDF file is just within your company folder, and then your examples are in the ideas folder. And that's what I'm looking for with this assignment.